Ladies and gentlemen, 2023 GSX-R600. Classic. Claiming 113 brake horsepower, 51 foot-pounds of torque. Weighing in at 413 pounds, wet and ready to ride. I am pretty much flat-footed, which is always great. Let's get a sound check. Red line at 15,250 RPMs. So on the 600, also no quick shifter. This does have a, it's got a KYB steering damper on it. That's nice. We have fully adjustable show suspension, front and rear. Man, I'm trying to look and see what else we got about this bike, because I've never ridden a GSX-R600 before, so gotta get accustomed to what this bike is. You know, you got dual piston, or we got 4-piston brake calipers down there. You got, you know, adjustable clutch or brake lever, non-adjustable brake or clutch lever, which is I am noticing about this bike, it really kicks up. The power really kicks up when you start getting above 6,000. Then it really kicks in a little bit higher than that. I'm gonna find out here in a minute once this road kind of clears up with all this traffic. On your dash, it's very minimalistic. You got your gear indicator. Is honestly, again, like the 750, there are very little electronics on this bike, and I like that a lot. Come on. Baby, oh, screaming. Hear that 600 howl. Wow. Woo. Yeah, that 600. I mean, it literally has very little power down low. I've said that about 600s in the past. The down low power isn't really there, but the top end is immense. Quick shifter, maybe it would be nice, but honestly, I'm not going to hold my hand or, you know, get all upset about it, because I know how to shift. Oh, everything about this bike is... Would I buy this bike to daily it? No. No, I would not. I wouldn't daily this bike anywhere. A dedicated track bike? Absolutely. But that's if I didn't want to buy the 750, because ultimately, that 750 really won me over. It's got so much rev range. But for, yeah, like I said, for a track bike, oh yeah. It's light, flickable, the power is easy to manage. And when you hit it, and it's good. It sounded dirty. You really do have to rev this out though. Down low, let's give this a shot. Nothing. I mean, there's power, but it's not abrupt. It's not immediate. It's not in you know, it's not overpowering down low. Anything, it doesn't really start getting power until above 6. It doesn't really get power until above 10. So you got to understand what you're buying, and if I'm going to buy something for the street, I prefer something a little bit more down low. Baby. Oh. Yeah. There you are, ladies and gentlemen. GSX-R600. Like I said, it's a track weapon. I wouldn't buy it for the street, but if I want a track bike, yeah, this is good. Everybody, hope you really enjoyed it. I know I did. Stay safe, and as always, enjoy the ride.
Turn your back.